St. Lucia's strategic position on the Caribbean archipelago has made our island an ideal hub for trade and investment. As a party to several regional and international trading agreements, the island has access to a market of over 14 million consumers. With abundant natural resources and plant biodiversity, probing St. Lucian manufacturing companies, especially in agro-processing, distillation, and brewery, the island is improving its position within the global manufacturing sector. Since the 1970s, the National Development Corporation, now Invest Saint Lucia, has been offering subsidies to the manufacturing sector through land and infrastructure. By managing 7 industrial estates throughout the island, the agency is well versed in accommodating sites with refrigeration and warehouse facilities, as well as coordinated access to distribution ports. Investors can also obtain free zone benefits and incentives in particular development areas. Manufacturing is further supported by an efficient telecommunication system, reliable electrical grid, and a stable, affordable water supply, and markets are connected by St. Lucia's modern air and seaport facilities, fiber optics, and wireless capabilities. Over the past 50 years, Invest Saint Lucia has had a record of success. Companies internationally, regionally, and locally, through their establishment and operations, continue to put their confidence in St. Lucia's thriving economy. In 1975, the Heineken family selected our beautiful island to establish its first brewery in the Caribbean. At the time, it was called the Windward and Leeward Brewery Limited, WLBL. By 2016, with vision and foresight, WLBL merged with Duboulet's Bottling Company Limited, DBC, to create the largest beverage manufacturer in St. Lucia and the Eastern Caribbean. The company transformed from a workforce of 60 employees when it first started to over 235 employees today. The brewery is housed in one of Invest Saint Lucia's factory shells in the industrial estate in Vieux-Fort. Baron Foods commenced operations in November 1991 by CEO Ronald Ramjatan with a total of 15 employees at the Vieux-Fort industrial estate. To date, the company manufactures 165 products which are FDA compliant and continues its relentless pursuit for excellence in transforming culinary endeavors into gourmet delights. North American Assemblies Limited, located in the Odsa Industrial Estate, the company produces filters for worldwide cable TV industry and has been in operations for almost 3 decades. In 1993, the directors of the company were looking for a lower-cost alternative to produce some of its hardware and scouted several Caribbean islands, including St. Lucia, St. Kitts, and other locations in Latin America. They finally settled on St. Lucia for several reasons, including the island was in the same time zone as company headquarters in Syracuse, New York, and it had an adequate infrastructure. St. Lucia possesses a dynamic English-speaking labor pool prepared for work in manufacturing roles, and the young workforce is easily trainable in specialized manufacturing trades. This is supported by comprehensive primary, secondary, and tertiary education school systems that create a solid foundation for learning and adaptability, essential tools for today's marketplace.